Welcome to all against our YouTube channel. Myself, Mr. Sagar Kohli, Assistant Professor at Maharani Ahilyabai Holkar College of Pharmacy, Boradi. Today we are discuss multiple choice question on subject hospital and clinical pharmacy. First question. Hospital provides special facilities. Options are A. Nursing, B. Dietary, C. Blood banking, D. All of this. Right answer is D. Patients care service include options are A. Diagnosis, B. Prophylaxis, C. Both A and B, D. Only A. Right answer is C. Immunization options are A. Helps to prevent disease, B. Treatment of disease, C. Play a vital role of hospital, D. Educational training. Option right answer is helps to prevent disease. Following are the hospital on the basis of types of patient accept. Options are A. Diabetes hospital, B. Pediatric hospital, C. Accident hospital, D. General hospital. Right answer is A. Clinical departments are options is A. Surgery, B. Pathology, C. Radiology, D. All of the above. Right answer is D. For 51 to 100 beds, dash 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 number of pharmacists are required. Options are A 1, B 3, C 5, D 10. Right answer is B. An hospital with 100 bed is options are A small hospital, B large hospital, C medium hospital, D very small hospital. Right answer is C. Patients who occupy the space in the hospital are called as options is A. Ambulatory patients, B. Inpatients, C. Operating patients, D. None of these. Right answer is B. The patients those get hospitalized to treatment are called as options are A. Ambulatory patients, B. Inpatient, C. General patient, D. None. Right answer is B. Satellite pharmacy is located at options are A. Each floor, B. 4 2 floor on pharmacy, C. Only one in a hospital, D. Depend on hospital types. Right answer is A. Advantages of complete four stop system are options is A. Required drug are specially available, B. Minimize return of medicine to pharmacy, C. Reduction in patient prescription order, D. All of this. Right answer is D. The normal value of bleeding time range from options are A 60 minute, B 15 to 30 minute, C 1 to 3 minute, D 5 to 10 minute. Right answer is C. CUDDS stands for options are A centralized unit dose drug distribution system, B central unit dose drug distribution system, C centralized unit dose drug distribution system, D central unit drug dose dispensing system. Right answer is D. The disadvantage of satellite pharmacy is options are A. Effect on the budget of hospital, B. Efficiently drug can be distributed, C. Time of drug distribution could be reduced, D. None. Right answer is A. OPD stands for options are A. Outpatient department, B. Outpatient department, C. Outpatient demand, D. Out passive department. Right answer is B. Avoid losses and drug wastage during handling is under options are A. Drug basket method, B. Mobile dispensing unit, C. Unit door dispensing, D. All of these. Right answer is C. Tetracycline should not be given with antacid because antacid dash 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 the absorption of tetracycline. Options are A. Increase, B. Decrease, C. No change, D. None of this. Right answer is B. The formula of cost per unit is options are A. Total cost divided into total number of units packed. B. Variable cost plus fixed cost. C. Variable cost divided by fixed cost. D. None. Right answer is A. Bioavailability is options are A. Rate and extent of drug reaches in kindly. B. Rate and extent of drug reaches in systemic circulation. C. Rate and extent of drug reaches in brain. D. Rate and extent of drug exit from the body. Right answer is B. Non-sterile preparation include options are A. Oral liquid, B. Syrup, C. Tablet, D. All of this. Right answer is D. Fusion method is used for the preparation of options are A. Tablet, B. Capsule, C. Syrup, D. Suppository. Right answer is D. Scalp are used for options are A. Incision, B. Cutting, D. Dissection, D. To hold swab. Right answer is A. Drug products that can be purchased without prescription is options are A. Narcotic drug, B. OTC drug, C. Both A and B, D. None of this. Right answer is B. PTC include options are A. Physician, B. Pharmacist, C. Patient, D. Only A and B. Right answer is D. Purpose of PTC options are A. Educational, B. Advisory, C. Both A and B, D. Only A. Right answer is C. Sometimes the drug may produce unwanted or unexpected effects are called as options are A. Overdosage, B. Adverse drug reaction, C. Hypersensitivity, D. Allergic condition. Right answer is B. Role of pharmacist at bedside pharmacy. Options are A. Ward visit, B. Interaction, C. Detailing, D. All. Right answer is A. Dash 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 is the prime responsibility of the hospital pharmacist. Options are A. Drug safety, B. Adverse drug reaction, C. Objectives, D. Patient's care. Right answer is A. Guidelines to achieve drug safety is as follow. Options are A. Dispensing of the medicine, B. Adequate facilities shall be provided for the storage and handling medicine in the pharmacy, C. Both A and B, D. None of above. Right answer is C. Which of the following is the part of hospital formulary? Options are A. Information on hospital policies, B. Drug product listing, C. Special information, D. All of these. Right answer is D. Therapeutic equivalence of different dosage form is evaluated by using options are A. Clinical pharmacy, B. Pharmaceutics, C. Biopharmaceutics, D. None. Right answer is C. Reason for non-adherence are options are A. Busy schedule of work, B. Negligence, C. Both A and B, D. None. Right answer is C. Ambulatory patients are options are A. Required to admit in the ward for treatment, B. Required to go home after taking treatment in OPD, C. Required emergency treatment, D. None of these. Right answer is B. Patient counseling is done by showing pictogram to the patients or their relatives on following direction except options are A. Precaution, B. Patient history, C. Storage, D. Diet. Right answer is B. Reason of medication errors are options are A. Drug tolerance. B. Wrong dosage. C. Adverse reaction. D. Potential risk. Right answer is B. Which factors contributing to non-compliance? Options are A. Unpleasant taste of medication. B. Fear of becoming drug dependent. C. Side effect of drug dependent. D. All of this. Right answer is D. Dash 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 take with plenty of milk or water and drink maximum water during daytime. Options are A. Sulfur drugs. B. Salicylate. C. Rifampicin. D. Diazepam. Right answer is A. Omeprazole is given in a dose. Options are A. 250 mg BID, B 40 mg at bedtime, C 20 to 40 mg once a daily, D 5 ml BID. Right answer is C. Without without consultation of physician, use of OTC drug like dash 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 with prescribed drug can be result into drug interaction. Options are A. Aspirin. B. Nasal decongestant. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. Right answer is C. Change in pH is due to options are A. GIT absorption. B. Alteration in distribution. C. Change in metabolism. D. All of this. Right answer is A. General treatment of poisoning include options are A. Immediate care of deteriorating body function, B. Removal of unabsorbed poison, C. Use of antidote, D. All of the above. Right answer is D. CNS stimulant is options are A. LSD, B. Alcohol, C. Opiates, D. Tobacco. Right answer is D. Etiology means options are A. Cause of disease, B. Inflammation of joints, C. Removal of disease, D. Increase of heartbeat rate. Right answer is A. Which of the following factors affecting bioavailability? Options are A. Concentration of drug, B. Area of absorption surface, C. Functional interacting of GIT, D. All of this. Right answer is D. When the bioavailability of drug from different formulation is the same is called as options are A. Bioavailability, B. Bioequivalence, C. Bioassay, D. Biopharmaceutics. Right answer is B. The adult dose of ethanol for ethylene glycol is options are A 0.6 gram per kg, B 0.69 gram per kg, C 1%, D 3 mg per kg. Right answer is B. The hospital formulary consists of list of dash 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 in the hospital. Options are A instrument, B drug, C. Staff, D. Patients. Right answer is B. Purpose of PTC. Options are A. Educational, B. Advisory, C. Both A and B, D. Only one. Right answer is C. The consumption of drug apart from medical need or in excess qualities or not for medical purpose of any drug to experience its pleasurable effect is called as options are A. Drug addiction, B. Drug tolerance, C. Drug dependence, D. Drug abuse. Right answer is D. Morphine poisoning may cause death due to options are A. Respiratory depression, B. Cardiac arrest, C. CNS depression, D. None. Right answer is A. Thank you.